In this video I'll show you 3 different types of electric heaters. One that's instant heat out the top like this one, electric heater, switches on the side. Storage heaters that will save you energy, stores up the heat and releases off slowly. And also another type of electric heater which you can turn on with a display screen and set the right heat, and that works very quickly also. If you like any of these, click on the link below. I'll put a few of these style heaters so you know where to get them from. This style of electric heater lets out air out the top, so it's an instant release of heat, works straight away as soon as you turn it on from the side. You can actually have cold air if you just want to put the fan on, turn that on, that will just release cold air. If you want it hot, keep that switch on and you can have that as 1 or that's 2. Release instant hot air out the top. This is the storage heaters. As you can see, you've got the dial on here. You've got input and output. Input controls how much heat you want to store, so 6 being the most. Or if you don't want to store as much heat, obviously this depends on how much electricity you use. If you want to store a lot of heat, you can turn that right up, but it will use up more electricity. And this is your output, which determines how much heat gets released. So if you want to release heat slowly, put it down to 1, or if you're feeling a bit cold, you can turn it up and this will release more heat. What these do is these save up heat overnight and then release the next day. So it's like a gradual slow heat that gets released out of these to save electricity. Just show you what these look like. This is another type of electric heater. As you can see, once switched on, you get a little display screen with this one, and you can go up and down and see what sort of heat you want to come off of this heater. This starts heating up. Standby. Got more menus here. That's obviously the make. These are quite slim, easy to hang on the wall. Smart. very easy to use.